everyone. My name is Navdeep. Basically, we are going to launch 3 programs related to Bihar Public Service Commission, BPSC. As we all know that the cutoff of BPSC was very high, 108. The general cutoff for BPSC was 108. तो people are confused कि इतना high कैसे चला गया, उसमें cheating हुआ है, कुछ हुआ है, paper leak हुआ है, and all the things. So I request to all of you कि don't bother about such type of things. अगर cutoff high गया है, it means the competitions are very high. Competition बढ़ गया है, and the seats are decreasing, and the competition is increasing, and that is the reason why the cutoff was very high. Still, people are qualifying. So congratulations from Vimars IAS to all those qualified prelims this time and those who are preparing for mains. So we are going to launch 3 programs related to Bihar Public Service Commission, BPSC, 3 programs. The first is related to Sociology Optional Test Series. The second one is related to Geography Optional Test Series. And the third is BPSC Mains Test Series. So these are the 3 programs launched by Vimars IAS. And in this lecture, we will discuss the first program, that is Sociology Optional Test Series program. And in the next 2 lectures, we will discuss Geography Optional Test Series program and BPSC Mains Test Series program. And in this lecture, we will discuss Sociology Optional Test Series and how to approach this test, how to approach this paper in BPSC exam. So before going to watch this, before going to discuss all the features of this test series, it is very important to see the schedule of this test series. Now this one is the schedule of this test series, BPSC Sociology Optional Test Series, with a special focus on Bihar and current affairs. So this one is the schedule, and you can collect it, this schedule, from our office, and you can also download it from our website. So this one is the schedule. They are very organized in nature. All these things are prepared by me. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा organized है. And once you follow this test series, definitely you will score more than 220 out of 300 marks. So we are going to discuss the features of this program. Okay? So the total number of tests will be 15. We are going to conduct 15 test series. 9 are sectional in nature and 6 are full length in nature. So if you are preparing for BPSC, Sociology, so it is very important to approach the sectional test. Once you approach the sectional test कर लिया, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आपको command हो गया. And then we will have to focus on the 6 full length test. So the total number of questions covered will be 100 plus questions we will cover. Now what should be the important feature? Special focus on the current affair and special focus on Bihar related questions. Once you see the previous year paper of sociology, then they are focusing on the current affair issues and they are also focusing on the Bihar related issues. Sociology Bihar related issue. That like the tribal problems of Bihar, not the tribal problems of India, but the tribal problems of Bihar. So such type of questions will be discussed. The test will be flexible in nature, even though we are going to conduct this test series from the 6th of April. Lekin they are flexible in nature. You want to write anytime, you can write it. So important predictable questions 2 months before exam. तो BPSC एक ऐसा एग्जाम है जिसमें क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी प्रेडिक्टेबल इन नेचर. तो अगर मेंस होने वाला है उससे 2 महीने पहले वी विल प्रोवाइड यू द टॉपिक्स, predictable topics. There are 30 to 40 topics, and out of that 30 to 40 topics, more than 200 marks questions were directly in that paper. So we will provide you the predictable topics. Important predictable topics. Now what should be the second important features? That is the handwritten model answer for all the sectional tests. This is one of the most important features. Because there are 9 sectional tests, we will provide you the handwritten model answer so that you can how to approach, how to write a very good answer in BPSC, because BPSC is very different from UPPCS and UPSC. We will discuss later on why this is very different. Now the second is evaluation within 2 days or at max 3 days by the faculty itself. Once you write the test series, your copy will be evaluated within 2 days or at max 3 days. The reason is that not more than 50 students are allowed to enroll in this batch. Only 50 students are allowed to enroll in this batch. 50 से अधिक हम लेंगे नहीं, and the people are not able to write their test on time. And that is the reason why it is very easy for me to take the test, conduct the test, and evaluate the test. Okay? And we have a team of more than 52 members. So it is very easy for all of us to check your copy within a limited period of time. Now the third important basic feature is video discussion for all the sectional tests. I will personally take all the video discussions for all sectional tests so that you have a clarity over all the things. So why BPSC is very different? We will discuss why BPSC is very different from UPPCS and UPSC. In BPSC, the total marks will be 300. 300 marks के questions आते हैं. Okay? Two sections, section A and section B. In section A, we will have 6 questions, and in section B also we will have 6 questions. Out of this 6 questions, we have to approach 3 questions, and out of this 6 questions, we have to approach 3 questions. So in total, we will have to write 6 questions. So one question is of 50 marks. So you have to write all the answer in essay format. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको 10 लाइन पता है, 20 पॉइंट्स पता है तो आपके आंसर कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. ऐसा है ही नहीं बीपीएससी. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई बीपीएससी इज वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड इट इज वेरी इजी आल्सो बिकॉज द क्वेश्चंस आर प्रेडिक्टेबल. सो टोटल यू हैव टू राइट 6 क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ 12 क्वेश्चन. और हमेशा एक चीज याद रखना, देयर विल बी नो एडिशनल कॉपी. अगर आपका पेज भर जाता है तो आपको एडिशनल शीट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. एक मेरा स्टूडेंट है, उसकी कॉपी भर गई, उसे ये क्वेश्चंस पूरे लिखने थे 50 मार्क्स के. ही इज नॉट एबल टू राइट इवन दो ही इज इन द लिस्ट, फाइनल लिस्ट. लेकिन अगर वो लिख देता तो सोचो क्या मिलता उसे. तो एडिशनल कॉपी नहीं मिलती है. द पेजेस देयर आर टोटल 36 पेज. सो राइट वन क्वेश्चन इन 6 पेज. तो पहले से आपको फॉर्मेट बना के जाना है, एंड द शीट्स आर वेरी बिगर. आप यूपीपीसीएस दीजिए या यूपीएससी दीजिए, द सीट्स आर वेरी स्मॉल, बट इन बीपीएससी द सीट्स आर वेरी लेंथी, वेरी लॉन्ग. सो दिस शुड बी योर अप्रोच. देयर आर 50 मार्कर क्वेश्चन, 50 मार्कर क्वेश्चन, एंड दैट 50 मार्कर क्वेश्चन, इन ये जो 50 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, इसको आपको 6 पेजेस में लिखना है. क्योंकि जब तक आप भर के लिखोगे नहीं, यू विल नॉट गेट अ वेरी गुड मार्क्स. सो दिस शुड बी योर अप्रोच रिलेटेड टू सोशियोलॉजी. एंड इन दिस विमर्श आईएएस प्लेटफॉर्म we will give you the 9 sectional test. 9 sectional test करने के बाद you have a very good control over all the topics. इसमें syllabus wise नहीं पढ़ना है, इसमें आपको previous year से prediction wise पढ़ना है. There are approx 50 topics. इसी 50 topics में से the questions are predictable. इन्हीं 50 topics में से 6 आपको लिखने हैं. So they are very organized tests. These tests are very organized, and these are the basic feature, and the fees was very limited. And hope you like this video lecture. And this is all about this program. In the next video lecture, we will discuss the second program, that is Geography Optional Test Series. And in the next video, we will discuss next to next BPSC GS Main Test Series. उसमें भी मैं बताऊंगा कि अप्रोच मेंस का कैसे लेना है. और ये तीनों प्रोग्राम लॉन्च होने के बाद विमर्श आईएएस प्लेटफॉर्म से हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी एंड करंट अफेयर्स, that is free of cost. We will discuss each and everything that is free of cost, and handwritten model answer if you want, then you can collect it from the Vimarsh IAS. This is all about today's lecture. Hope you like the video lecture. Thank you so much.